how to add domain to your hosting in Namecheap plus install WordPress. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be talking very quickly about how you can add domain to your hosting in Namecheap. So to add hosting to your domain, all you're going to do simply is you're going to go over to domains, okay? And once you go over to your domains, basically you're just going to go ahead, choose the better plan to buy a domain, and you can register really simply, really easily. So just go with whatever domain works best. Let's say I want to go with this .com one. I'm going to register for it, and obviously it's going to come into my products when I have gone with Namecheap. Then you're going to move over to WordPress, and once you move over to WordPress, you're just going to go ahead and see the pricing and plans, and whatever pricing and plan works for you, you're just going to go ahead, choose it, and once you've chosen it, that's going to basically be your easy WordPress starter. So that's how you're going to install your WordPress and set up a domain for your hosting. So that's about it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.